qualifying went badly, unfortunately. I invalidated both my laps, so I'm at the back. Although the guy to my right has jump started twice, so he's going to be going in the pits at some point. A couple of the guys ahead did really quite slow lap times, so I don't know if that's because they're slow or they just, similar to me, maybe invalidated one lap and did a slow lap as well.
Car right.
But we'll see. Oh, for God's sake.
Clear. Left side.
Okay, well, that's a good start. I thought I was going to go around the outside of them then, but they sort of, I guess... Well, I guess they took the right line and I was in the wrong place. Anyway, it's not the end of the world. We're still alive. So I was able to do a lap the same as the pole guy, pretty much. So I have got some pace. It's just... I'm a long way back. So I'm thinking I'm probably quicker than this guy. It's Tuesday, so I think he's still learning the track. I think.
Still there, hold your line.
I get that feeling.
Still there.
Oh, for God's sake.
Clear on the right.
I mean...
The car behind.
There's slow and there's slow, isn't there? So...
Clear.
Goodness sake. So I think I'm a bit quicker than him. It's whether we can close up. So I don't know where we are. 5th, maybe? Oh, God, that was an interesting opening lap. 5th. Okay, right. So can I get anywhere near them? Not like that, I won't.
You got a slow car on the right. Car stopped on the right. Go right. There's an incident ahead.
Okay, well that's 2 down. Well, one down and 1 in sight. So that helps me.
10 minutes to go.
So we've still got a bit of time. Question is, can we do anything with it? So like I said, I had a bit of pace. Now here, I was going into 4th, and then I just tried leaving it in 3rd, and it felt a little bit quicker, actually. So I leave it in 3rd throughout this whole section, but I'm not sure if following someone, it might be better in 4th, because I'll have the slipstream. But anyway. 4th now. Question is... Can I get a better exit? No. Has that done any damage? I don't know. What was that? A 19.4. 18.7 they're doing at the front. So I think the leader's going to get away. Can I catch up with this guy? You could hear how slow he was on the power compared to me. I'd like to make a move, really.
Left side.
So otherwise we're going to lose a lot of time. So can we get second then? Oh no. So I don't want him on my inside through that. So how quick is the guy ahead going? It's a bit ambitious on the throttle, I think, last time round. That's a bit better. We're going a bit quicker. So what's he doing? 19.3. 19.8, but that was with that impact, so...
Now in 3rd.
Ooh, got a fair bit of time to make up. 6 seconds. I'm going to need them to have a problem, aren't I think? Unless I can do some mega laps, I'm going to have to get the fastest lap of the race, I think. If I want to catch. So this isn't like last week, where it's just Slipstream City. Here, you've actually got to drive it. I mean, there is some Slipstream, but not as much. Nice to get away from this guy if we can. We're not going fast, are we? Unfortunately. It's not been a great lap. And I've had an off track. So it's not going well today. Okay, those two are together now. What's going on? Okay, 19-1.
Your fastest lap of the session.
So actually quite a bit quicker than those two, and they're together. So if they battle, there is a chance here. A slim chance, but there's a chance. I've still got Mark behind us, though. Not lost him.
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 4.1 seconds.
I think I'm a bit slow through that. How far are we behind now then? Not as far. This will be the first actual proper lap we've done, I think. 19.2, so we are going quicker than them. 4.6 seconds behind.
Car 3 is now leading. 5 minutes to go.
There's been a change for the lead. And we're going quicker. Are we going quick enough? No, because we've gone off track again. Bloody hell. .9 behind, so we're not getting that close, are we really? We've got a long way to pull back. Be a quicker lap anyway. So what are they doing? 19. They've done an 18.7, gosh, and a 19.7.
18.7.
And I've done an 18.8.
New fastest lap for you.
So second quicker than the guy ahead.
Car 1 is now leading.
Bit slower than the leader.
Away from the car behind. The gap is 1.6 seconds.
Four seconds. We were 6, so we closed up 2 seconds. That's not bad. Somebody's gone wide. We close right up. Okay, let's see if we can get this corner right this time. Yeah, it's better. Okay, so 1.9 behind now. We're going a bit quicker. .19 flat, and he did a 21, so 2 seconds he lost there. The guy ahead, the lead, has done a 19 flat, so we're there or thereabouts.
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 1.3 seconds.
We're nearly in the slipstream, aren't we? He's pushing, isn't he? So wait. I'm trying.
White flag, white flag.
Am I in the slipstream? 1.2, not quite. Best lap for me though. He's done a 20, what's he done?
Lap of the session.
Done a 19.2, I've done an 18.8, so he's going quicker. But we're catching.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 3 seconds.
And we're in the slipstream. 0.8 behind, look at that. Right with him, aren't we? But is there anywhere to overtake? I don't think there is there really? Not safely. Oh, off track. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Oh no! No! Ah, well, I'm pretty pleased with that.
Flag.
From our first lap to where we got to,
You did really well.
I'm pretty happy with that, and did an 18.4 at the end, although it did an off track. Okay, here's the start then. So I didn't get a great start, and then we'll just follow it through to where I got it all wrong. I thought there was a gap on the outside here, I thought. We've got a blinker ahead. I was thinking, well, I've got a decent start. Someone's joining from the pits. I'll go through the middle. And, yeah, I thought he saw me and was going to tighten up, but he didn't. He took the normal line, and that was it. Anyway, somebody went off behind. 2 people went off behind by the looks of it. And then, oh gosh, that's a nasty place to go off. Oh dear. Ah! Lucky he didn't get hit. Now what? Well, that's... Oh, I was going to say, I thought that was me, but no, that was 2 ahead. Oh dear. Then what's going on here then? Someone coming out the pits? Oh, well, he was braking for the guy coming out the pits, and he got hit at the rear. Oh, don't get on the grass. This is quite a difficult... Oh, no. So it's quite a difficult series of corners. It's not that difficult, but yeah. Oh, just lazy. Lazy, not concentrating. Well, good. That's some good incidents. Anyway, let's look at the results. So that was top split, would you believe? Lost and safety rating. I'm about to get demoted, I think. I did a couple of F4 races, round 1 this afternoon. You won't have seen them because I crashed in both of them.
There's an incident ahead. Slow car ahead. Car stop on the left. Go right.
Well,
Side. You're on the right.
Yeah.
Rewind. Clear. They say you cut the course.
It's fucked me up. But I'm not concentrating. I'm not looking where I'm going. Fuck. Anyway, got some I rating. But yeah, I need a decent few races to get. I've got to get above 2 before the end of next week. But anyway, so fastest lap of the race was 18.7. I did an 18.4, but it didn't count. But I did an 18.8, so not too bad. I'm pretty pleased with that, coming from where I did on the grid. I'm going to do a few more of these, and yeah, so look out for that. But anyway, if you want to see this and other videos, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.